Hello there everyone, this is I am Mark 3 and welcome back to Facility 4 in Factorio, and damn it, I'm out of turrets. Well, mostly. This time around I'm going to start getting my robot network actually up and started to get automated repairs and things going, because that is kind of important, and I'll also be reinforcing some sectors of my walls with lasers. I can't make them myself, but I can build them quickly thanks to, you know, having ready supplies of circuits and things lying around. So these are my first two laser turrets to be placed. Actually, no, let's pull that up and that and make it 4. Because this area really does need the reinforcement. There we go. Okay. Now these lasers will help keep this sector actually intact, sort of. But I need to put down some ports to actually get things flowing as well. So I'm going to actually put one here, like that. Yep, that's fine. I need to get... I've not actually got an automation for big poles, but I need to put some down. So, you know, I need to get power to it somehow, sadly. There we go. Okay, that port is now powered and ready to support these turrets. But it has nothing to support them with, and there go the lasers. Oh, geez, the lasers are actually doing nasty things to my power supply. Even though I don't have many of them. I forgot how power hungry they are. I might have to do something about my power as well, but until then, I've actually got a couple of bots in here. Let's grab these electric engines and just dump them straight into production, like that. But my first two robots are up, and off they go to just go and dock in that station down there. That is excellent. Now, the problem is, this is not enough. I actually need to get repair packs in production to supply these repair bots and their needs. And I don't actually have a ready supply to put them into, so I don't have a direct connection for them. Yeah, as you can see, it's missing a whole bunch of stuff like that. Yep. I've literally just grabbed the tech for making passive provider chests, which means I can plug things into the network for the bots to drag from to build replacements and things, which is again going to be very much needed. But right now I'm just focusing on getting repair packs actually out into the fray, so to speak. So I'm running a resource line down here which will feed a repair pack plant, which will be, actually let's make it here. Yeah, let's do it here. Repair plant, this is going to cut into my resource supply lines a little bit, but there's not much choice. I want somewhere that's near the front lines, as it were. So I need to actually do this down here. Repair pack production. Yep. This place will need electronic circuits, which are over here. And this one will require the copper wires. So yep, that'll do all fine. That's going to need to load up that. That's going to need to load from there into there. That goes into there. And that's what it needs. So I'm actually going to build a quick tunnel underneath here, which will allow it to do that. Now then, I need to make an actual passive provider chest, which is, because I've got all the circuits and things, is actually incredibly fast to do. And then that will supply it all into my repair network with 3 stacks held on to ready for use. Now I just need to power it all up. There we go. Okay. There's power. Resources are moving around. My first ones are appearing. And that should be enough to summon a bot, I think. Oh no, it's just outside the supply range. Of course it is! Of course it is, and I'm still missing the repair points to build stuff. Where am I missing the... Oh, there's one there. Okay, there's one there. Okay, there's one there. Yep. Where are the other things? Oh, they're all the way up here. Okay, right. So I need the repairs up here as well to keep this entire section of the wall alive and dandy. Oh wait, yeah, it's flashing there because there was already damage from way back at the start. At least I think this is where the repairs are supposed to be. Where are they? I can't see anything that's actually broken. Yeah, I can't see anything that's actually broken in this bit, so I don't know why that's flashing that those two are actually damaged, so it's, oh, something's blowing up. Yeah, the rest of the wall's getting hit too much. I don't have time for procrastinating on all of this stuff. So I'm actually going to drop another roboport in here, so it's in range of the same network, and it will let the bots actually grab the repair packs. Again, it's cutting slightly into space I wanted to use for other things, but there's no way around that anymore. So there we go. The bots can now fly, and they can grab the repair packs, which they will now start using to patch up this section of the line. Which is good. Very, very good. But I need to do more. Let's actually build another roboport. I may have all the advanced stuff, but I still need to make an absolute ton of cogs to, you know, actually start work on that. And I'm currently fast forwarding materials into these lines to... Actually, you know what? Let's unplug the storage chests completely and just have it focus on building the robots for now. I can add those back later. Let it do its work for now. So yep, that is a bunch of extra box ready to go. I am building those. What am I short of? Iron plate. Yeah, these are expensive. But right now I need to actually focus on getting the rest of my lines shored up and intact. Oh, I'm out of steel as well. Of course. It's always something, isn't there? 4 stacks of steel, sure. I've still got 40 batteries. I actually grabbed a stack, but I've been burning through them pretty quick. I need to grab the steel before I wander off. So let's grab some there. Sorry, that's not steel, that's iron. I keep calling it steel. And cancel that to build another roboport. Oh, okay, I need to build more advanced circuits. But one for now will do, I think. Though I need to actually connect it to the building area of these ones over here. That is a slight concern. Turrets are blowing up, of course. But they'll get their due soon enough. Oh, this is a good spot. Good central spot for it actually. So let's... I could put it there if I pulled up a mine. Is that single copper mine important? No, roboport is more important, so I'll actually put it here to maintain the connection. Yep, that'll do it. Okay. And it's picking up all of the repair jobs which I've never actually got around to fixing in the middle of the factory. There's so many. I might as well dump the rest of my construction bots now and get them in the air so that they can actually start doing stuff. Sheesh. Okay, let's get the rest of this doing. That'll be connected if I put it down here. Sure, that'll work for now. But I need to get the rest of those circuits to actually get the rest of this network going. In slightly more cheerful news, though, this factory has been working up a storm and it's got absolute tons of advanced circuits ready to go. So yeah, I've just pulled an entire stack out of that like it was nothing, and that is actually a very good feeling. It's something very good. Oh geez, this entire section has been stripped. Okay, this isn't good. The turrets are still managing to kill things, but the turrets have been pretty much shot to hell. I need to put down my lasers. I did not know this sector was getting such good business from the alien scumbags. Oh geez, that is... okay, I need to help out here as well. Oh! Okay, they are hitting hard. They're actually hitting quite hard. I didn't lose my lasers, did I? I lost one of them. But the lasers pretty much took care of that, so that's actually really good. My power level is fluctuating all over the place, though. I do not like seeing it do that, but I do need to grab some more turrets anyway, so, you know. There is that, I suppose. Actually, I've got that damaged mine. Should I put that somewhere? Is there somewhere I can put it? Might as well pop it there. Yeah, I'll just leave it there. It'll get fixed up eventually. The bots are working on overtime, but they'll get it all done. That's what I'm counting on for. But that's what I pay them for. But I still need to build the roboports. Yeah, it's all cogs. It's all cogs that I need to get all that stuff done. Like that, like that, like that. Yep, get these turrets up and running again. One there, one there, one there. Oh geez, this section's really... Yep, this entire section has been stripped out of turrets, basically. It's just lucky I came along when I did, because it's such a mess. Yeah, leave it like that. Another... Oh, I actually lost a turret over there where I put my first port. Because a couple of bots, they can start fixing things, but it's not going to do it that fast. So I really do need more stuff. Yeah, that will do it. Okay. And if I add a new laser turret in there to reinforce the corner further, and put down some walls, like so. There we go. Okay. This sector is now considerably more durable, but I can still do better. I can put in a port just up here, which will actually start fixing it all up as well, as soon as I can get the lines connected to it, like that. Sure. Okay. This sector now has its own repairs as far as the ports are concerned, but it still needs to be connected to the rest of the system. So that's why I need this other one. Okay, there is a happy middle ground. Excellent. So that means I'm going to be dumping this port in the middle over here. Yeah, that'll do it. That's good. That's fine. Hook it up, powered up, and now my bots can come over here as well. Some more stuff is blowing up. Including some walls. That's actually a bad sign whenever that happens. Though I suspect it was heavily damaged walls that were actually going up in smoke. Still, 232 objects need fixing. Yeah, this place is not happy at all. I do need a nearer supply of... Yeah, I'm going to actually build into this part here, because I need a much closer supply of repair parts. So, actually, let us... I was going to use this for laser turrets. I was going to use it for lasers. Oh well. Let's put one here, one here. No, wait. No, I don't want to run roughshod over my existing battle plans. So I can actually tell you what. I'll draw a feed line out from these two factory complexes over here, and then use that for it on here. 2, 3, and then that'll feed up into this one here, and that'll do the supply work. Yeah, okay, that looks good. Supply chest already there. This one will be making the actual packs themselves. This one will make the cogs. This one will make the circuits, and this one will make the actual copper wire. Okay. Yeah, that should do it. That should do it. Just need to get it all worked in like that. Looks good. The only thing it needs now is actually the supplies of all the stuff. Let's do a quick tunnel there. And since I'm hijacking the supply lines for the factories, it's just going to go straight like that. There we go. That's the supply of iron. And then I'm going to hijack this copper feed in the middle here, which will run like this. This bend down there is not ideal, but you know, got to do it. And then if I put the plants there, no, not there, there. Okay, this will work and start making more repair packs in a much more convenient location for the bots to get at. Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, that should hold it quite nicely. Okay, that sector is now working. I've got better laser turrets again. Excellent. I'm actually getting quite far in my research now. What can I go for? What can I go for? I can go for... I've not done any shotgun research, but I don't need it. Not really. I do need accumulators, though, so I'm going to start researching that. I also need more batteries, I think. I've still got 80 on me. But I need more laser turrets as well. But I need more roboports. I need more of many things. I'm short on iron. Okay. Okay, that'll let me make a couple more. Ooh, that one got damaged. Oh dear. Poor little bot. Where's my chest? Here we go. Okay, I'll put one on the walls, and I'll put one on the actual turrets. So that should let them start to replace things of those two types that when they get lost. I need more chests though, so I'll build 1, 2, 3 of those. That's enough for the inserter types. I'll build a 4th for the power poles as well, because I'll need that. Roboport. I need it to be in position to hook into the rest of the network, so it's going to have to be over here, unfortunately, because of the size of the place. But yeah, that'll do. Just there, like that. Yeah, that'll get everything powered up. What have I lost? I've lost turrets. Okay, I think North Sector is getting stripped of parts as well. Yeah, that's getting picked apart pretty quickly. So what I need to do now is a lightning visit. Actually cancel that report for a moment, let it build the chests, and then get back on with the ports. What am I short of? Plates again. Okay, that's fine, no problem. I need to get over here, grab the rest of the parts I need for stuff. Like, I'm actually burning through tons of iron plates doing all this. Yep, that's something else blowing up. An inserter this time, that means that section is getting close to breaching. Again. Well, it's not really properly collapsed since the first... Well, not since I put the wall up. 21 bots, okay. Off they go. Accumulators, excellent. I can use those to start regulating my power supply a bit. But I need batteries, okay. Let's put a really quick factory down here. You will make for me, as soon as I find them... was I in the right place in the first place? No? Okay, here we go. It's just iron and batteries, and it takes a good 10 seconds. So, this is by no means a permanent solution for this particular problem. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I'll put down a regular chest in the middle, like that. These guys are just going to make accumulators for me, so I can actually start stockpiling power for when I have excess. And then keep my towers supplied when they are shooting the nasty things that want to tear my face off. I'm just going to plug it straight in. I'll come back and tear this out later when I don't need it where it is. When I have actually space to make a decent, more efficient version of it. But for now, it's just going to be building accumulators to let me store power. That's just the general purpose behind that one. I feel like I'm rushing off my feet and I'm actually doing fast work this time around, so it's a very strange feeling. Let's see, I need to connect it to the network up here. Actually, I need to get this chest here, upgrade that to a provider. Yep. Grab the roboport, I need it in this general area, but I need it to connect to that, so... It looks like this place is going to get a neighbour. Yeah, like that. Oh, I need some chests for those as well. Cancel that port again and just keep on building. I can build a ton of ports, that's fine. Yep, those are now passive provider chests for all of my conveyor needs. And should I get one for this as well? Might as... Nope, I don't have the resources on me to actually finish that. So, I'm going to have to just build the ports instead. First up, a port over here. This was originally intended to be a space for a supply line, by the way. I never decided what to supply, but it was okay, I suppose. Now then, passive provider chests. You will provide yellow inserters. You will you will provide blues. Okay. And I've got more repair work just been revealed by all of that. I don't think I need that other port, so cancel that for the moment. Now then, this section has been getting bombed to pieces. So let's go ahead and start installing replacement parts from my own inventory stocks. Just to keep things nice and friendly-like. Let's actually cancel those two there completely. And they are going to be replaced by lasers. Like that. Okay. I need more lasers. I've only got resources for 2, so yeah, fine. And so the bots don't have to worry about it. I'll also replace the gun turrets as well. And that one there, because it was lost. That one was lost. That one was lost. That one was lost. That one was lost. So, okay, those are all reinstalled and functional once again. I may be overrun with repair requests and things, but oh yeah, that is so much more survivable. I'm being overrun with repair requests, but I am not actually seeing much blowing up anymore, which is the more important factor by a long shot, actually. Yes. I'll put that one there. That one there. I'll put that one there. This one here. Okay. Again, this is just going to be a supply station for the repair packs to keep things being fixed up in relatively timely fashion instead of having the bots traipsing all over the base, because right now they are actually quite slow. They are not the best bots I could manage. Actually, that's a point. Did I ever make the it's a provider chest down on the southern one that I made? I need to double check that. Yep, yep. And this one will be the circuits. Yep, okay. Again, it's the same basic pattern, just a cluster of factories which will make the things which will keep my base from going boom. So, yeah, important stuff. Though you see me keep making them. It's because, again, if the bot's going to respond faster to damage... Oh, a turret's blown up. All the way down there, actually. That's... okay, sure. But yeah, if I can keep my base from going boom, it is a huge help. Because every turret lost is a turret I need to rebuild and replace. Or, now, it is something my bots need to rebuild and replace. Okay, yeah, I did make it a provider chest. And my bots is just scurrying all over, doing repairs and stuff like that. Oh, that's something that they didn't get to fix in time. Leave that there. These they do need to repair, but I'll do the job for them, rather than wait for them to get it done. Because this is, again, a corner section. So I seem to need some more lasers. Oh yeah, I never put lasers up on top right, did I? Whoops. Oh, this entire section got wasted. How strange. I would have thought there would have been a breakthrough then if that was what was going on. Oh well. It's not happened, so can't complain really. Let's see now. A laser turret here and one here. What do I need to build some more? To build some more I need... Oh, it's just steel. That's easy. But this section will now actually hold up if it's got covered from the ports. It actually has not. Okay. So that means I'll just slap down a port here in this power section like that. And that'll keep this corner covered. Alright. Excellent. This base is suddenly a lot more durable. Though it lacks enough repair bots to do things in a timely fashion. That's why things are actually timing out over here. But, oh no, I lost a couple of laser turrets. That's why some of the walls were collapsing. Oh dear, yeah. Yeah. Ow. This is not good. Oops, back up, pull them off the guns. And the guns make incredibly fast work of them. Ow. Cheeky little sod. Yeah, okay, that section's collapsed, but unfortunately that is also all the time I've got for this particular video. Oh, jeez. They're going to breach that wall very, very soon. I can't wait for the bots. I need to actually get some repairs done now. Yeah, like that. Okay, get those guns firing. Help kill the stuff. They've broken through the wall, I think. But yeah, this has been Iron Mark 3. Thank you for watching my base, as it's actually surviving pretty well now. It just needs more repairs and things like that. So, but it's surviving a lot better. Where the heck was that thing going? Okay. But yeah, I'll catch you some other time for some more Factorio. See you later.